In the short I showed you, this tiny radioactive piece is from a smoke detector. Today we're going to see what it actually does on a radiation detector and explain how it actually works. Americium-241 is a synthetic man-made radioactive isotope of the element americium. It mainly emits alpha radiation but also low energy gamma. Has a half-life of 432 years and was first discovered in 1944. So what you're actually looking at right now is the housing for the very little piece of americium. If you can, there's a little plate dish there, and contained in that little dish, that's where the americium is stored. It's very, very, very small amounts, but it works quite effectively. The moment we've been all waiting for, to actually see how radioactive this is. Then after that, I'll show you how radioactive smoke detector is. 150,000 counts a minute. That number may sound scary, but counts per minute isn't how much your body is getting absorbed and damaged by. That's just a number showing you how many events are hitting the sensor every minute. And for that piece, it's 150,000. Now we're going to try the smoke detector. You can see it right in there. Much slower because of the shielding. Just 4,000, and there should never be any concern about health if the detector is just treated well and it's just used as normal, because the radiation drops off pretty fast. Unless you've got this thing taped to your bloody head, nothing wrong will ever happen to your health. And one last thing, the thing that is important about radiation is the dose. So you can change the setting to dose rate, which is measured in sieverts, and you can see that this here is 7.4 microsieverts, which is very low level. I hope you guys enjoyed the video today and just learned something new. I'll catch you in the next one.